Good day, viewers. You're welcome once again to Frequency Online Maths. Let's quickly solve this question. This is Waec 224, Nigerian paper. So, this is number 5. The question says that a basket contains 3 gold-plated marbles, 4 diamond marbles, and some silver marbles, all of the same size. And the shape, all of the same size and shape. Full stop. So, 2 marbles were drawn from the basket at random, one after the other without replacement. The probability that the 2 marbles were all silver is 1 over 15. Find the number of silver marbles. So this is what a probability. Now let's take the question one after the other. You know that probability is what? A game of what? Chance. So that's the thing. Um we are going to have the number of what? Number of gold is equals to what? Number of gold is what? 3. So we have 3. Now, number of diamond is what? 4. And number of silver, you can assign what? X to it. So, the total number of marbles will be G plus D plus X. Our G is what? Number of G is what? 3 plus 4 plus X, which is equals to 7 plus X. Now, we are going to find the probability. You know, they said the probability that the 2 marbles were all silver is what? 1 over 15. Now, they say all of the same size and shape. The 2 marbles were drawn down. The first drawing of the marbles, which is the silver one, you understand? And they are saying that the probability that the 2 marbles were all silver. So this is the probability that the 2 marbles were all silver at the first draw. That's the first time they drew, and they are drawing it. So I'm going to write first. The first time of drawing it will be, that's the silver, number of silver all over the total probability, which is 7 plus X. Then the probability of drawing silver the second time will be what? X minus 1 all over 7 plus X minus 1. So which will give us what? X minus 1 all over 6 plus X. So they told us that the probability that the 2 marbles were all silver is what? 1 over 15. So find the number of silvers. Now, the probability that the 2 marbles were all silver. The probability that the probability that the 2 marbles were all silver will be what? The probability of this first one times this one, which is what? P of S times P of what? This second S. You know, this thing is what? Multiplication of what? Probability. They derive their this thing from set. They will say that this thing is what? P S intercepts what? S. Or you can write it P of S, P of what? S. Anyone. So, but that's by the way. So, we are going to have this times this will give us what? That's the first one is X all over 7 plus X times X minus 1 all over 6 plus X. So multiplying this will give us what? X times X will give us X squared. Then minus X all over. This times this will give us 42. This times this will give us plus 7X. This times this will give us 6X. This time this will give us what? Plus X squared. I hope you can see it. So we have what? X squared minus X all over 42. This plus this will give us 13. Will give us 13 plus 13x plus x squared. So remember that they say that the probability of the 2 marbles were all silver is what? 1 over 15. So we equate it to 1 over 15. So we are going to cross multiply. I hope you can see it from here. So let's clean this side. So it's going to be 15 times x squared minus x is equals to 42 plus 13x plus x squared. So 15 times this will give us 15x squared minus 15x is equals to 42 plus 13x plus x squared. So we can move everything to this side. So we are going to have 15x squared minus 15x minus 42 minus 13x minus x squared is equals to 0. So we are going to do what? Collect like terms. So it's going to be this minus this will give us 14x squared. Then this and this will give us what? Minus 28x. Then minus 42 is equals to 0. Now, so we are going to divide both sides by what? The coefficient of x squared. So by 14 by 14 by 14. So we are going to have x squared minus 28 divided by 14 will give us 2. So we have minus 2x minus 42 divided by 14 will give us 3 is equals to 0. So this thing will be easier for us. So we bring this 3 out and find the factors. 3 here, 1. So the two numbers will be what? Minus 3x and plus x. We give us what? Minus 3x plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 will give us minus 2. So we are going to have x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is called splitting the middle term. We splitted the what? This middle term. So it's going to be plus minus 3x plus x will give us what? Minus 2x. So what is the common factor here? X. This divided by this x, this divided by this minus 3. Common factor here is what? 1. X minus 3 is equals to 0. So let me clean this side. This place will not be enough safe. So we're going to have x plus 1 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. When two numbers are multiplying each other to give you 0, it means that is either one is what? 0 or two of them are what? 0. So x plus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 1. Then x minus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to 3. So let me clean this side. Okay. Find the number of find the number of silver. So the number of silver will be what? 3. Let me write it here. The number of silver is 3. So this is the answer. I hope you can see it. So the number of silver is what? 3. So we have gotten our x as what? Minus 1 and what? 3. But we cannot use the minus. So we use the word plus. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Expect the number 6 very soon. Bye bye.